Y'all know that I'm usually way more talkative than this, but I have absolutely no clue what to say other than I just feel like God called me to this profession, and I could not thank Dr. Cockrell enough for giving me a chance and for being here and for the amazing teachers and staff that I've been so blessed to work with. This is the only school I've ever worked for. I was able to do my student teaching here under the fabulous Miss Jamie Cunningham, which I owe my life to. And I'm so thankful for my third grade team and for just loving me and accepting me, and for my students, my babies from 5th grade and 4th grade and now my 3rd graders. I'm honored, and I am so very blessed and so very thankful to represent Madison County and Mannsdale Upper. Thank you.